Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and NATO Military Committee Chairman Giuseppe Dragone visited one of Ukraine's most secure production facilities, where the Peklo missile drones are being produced. This event marks an important milestone in Ukraine's efforts to strengthen its defense capabilities despite the ongoing challenges posed by the conflict. Dragone's visit was his first official trip to the country since his appointment, highlighting the increasing tensions and growing cooperation between Ukraine and NATO in defense matters. Since late 2024, the production of Peklo missile drones has significantly accelerated. Nearly 100 units have already been produced, and serial production is ramping up. These drone missiles have become a key asset for the Ukrainian military due to their long-range capabilities. With a range of 700 kilometers and a maximum speed of 700 kilometers per hour, they are capable of striking distant targets effectively. The Peklo drone is designed as an alternative to Western cruise missiles, combining elements of both drones and missiles, with the ability to adapt to various types of engines, thus overcoming supply chain issues. About 70% of the drone components are domestically produced in Ukraine, significantly reducing reliance on foreign suppliers. This strategic move by Ukraine to develop innovative weaponry is part of a broader program aimed at ensuring independence and enhancing combat effectiveness. Ukraine plans to produce up to 30,000 of these drones in the coming year, which will help compensate for artillery shortages on the battlefield and bypass restrictions on the use of Western-supplied weapons. Locating the factory underground is also a key part of the strategy to protect production from potential airstrikes. During the visit, President Zelensky emphasized the importance of developing domestic weapons production to ensure the country's independence during the war. He thanked NATO for its continuous support since Russia's full-scale invasion and stressed the importance of maintaining pressure on Moscow to achieve a peaceful resolution to the conflict. He also awarded state honors to the factory workers, recognizing their contributions to Ukraine's defense. Dragone's visit to Ukraine was also significant in terms of strengthening NATO-Ukraine relations. He reaffirmed the alliance's long-term commitment to supporting Ukraine, stating that the country has become an integral part of transatlantic security. Discussions during the visit covered topics such as coordinating military assistance and training for Ukrainian forces, as well as potential investments from certain NATO members in Ukraine's drone production. Additionally, during the visit, Ukrainian Commander-in-Chief Oleksandr Syrsky met with Dragone to discuss the current operational needs of the Ukrainian military, including military aid and training. The Peklo drones are already being used in combat, and these systems continue to be improved, especially in terms of resistance to electronic warfare and targeting accuracy. These drones are likely to play a key role in future military operations as Ukraine seeks to enhance its long-range strike capabilities in modern warfare, where self-sufficiency and technological development are crucial.